there everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup video or tutorial, if that's what you want to call it, on a natural makeup look. So last time I did like a pink sort of vibe look. It was actually the first time I'd done it on camera, but this time I'm going to try and do a natural makeup look. So I hope you enjoy. So the first thing, as always, I go into is my L'Oreal Paris True Match Foundation. So this is the same shade, 2.R/2.C Rose Vanilla shade. And then, because it's a natural, I only go with one little. I have like the camera high up today. A lip on my face. I feel like natural makeup looks are always really glowy, but like the people who can actually pull them off have really nice skin. So this will be a really quick video, because hopefully a natural look shouldn't take me as long. Gotta get that glowy skin down. So I'm gonna actually go in with my little spongy poof. The other side is like completely covered. And just blend all that in. I actually really love the natural looks because I'm more of a natural person. But like natural looks don't look like you try too hard, but at the same time you still look so like ready for your day. Then I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Superstay shade Fawn Powder. I don't bother using the actual thing they give you inside of it. I just grab the same sponge, go into it like that, so then it's all covered there, and then go under my eye. This colour is quite darker to like the rest of my foundation, which is quite shocking being as it's going under my eye. And then I just dab it around, I guess. So that's that done. So for my eyebrows, I usually always do my eyebrows like how I usually do them, even for like a natural look. So once again, I would just start from the top and go outwards and follow the line. I literally woke up like an hour ago and it's currently about, what is the time? I don't even know where my phone is. Oh, I'm recording on it. I do usually like the straighter eyebrows, but like these days I find my eyebrows keep curving, like the arch of it, I mean. Oh my god, I am using a different mirror in this angle. I'm just going to assume I've got my outline of the eyebrows sorted, and then I'm going to go and fill in with, where is, oh, back here, my normal Revolution and Focus and Fix eyebrow shaping kit. So I might actually go in with a lighter colour this time, so I might go in with, this colour here. It's a bit lighter, I usually use this one. I feel like today my eyebrows look a lot more rougher looking. Oh my goodness, that light is like... yeah, usually they're more... what's the word? Like cleaner looking, I guess. But like I actually don't mind them looking like this. I feel like if they're more rougher, they look more natural. You know, like Selena Gomez's eyebrows, because she like plucks them, but she like doesn't bother plucking them fully because it loses its natural like curve or like actual eyebrow shape. But when they're like too clean, it's like obvious. Is that the word? So the next thing I'm going to go in with is, I guess, eyeshadow. So this is such an old eyeshadow case. I'm not entirely sure the brand, but it says Nudes eyeshadow by Technic. I think that's the brand. Like the case looks like that. It's so like been used. And then inside you have a bunch of shades. So these are like obviously nude, natural shades. And then I'm going to go in with this brush by Eco something. What the heck does that say? Eco Tools. That's what it says. And then the shade that I used to always use is this pink one. It's like pinky natural in the middle, so I'm just gonna go in with that. Oh, I miss this shade. I never use it anymore, but like such an old shade I used to use. It's like pinky, like a pinkster mixed. A pink mixed with white. And then I'm going to take the other end of the same one and go in with the end white one into the inner corner of my eyes. This is literally how I used to always do my makeup, basically. I hope you can see. Oh, that lighting. I might have to move the camera. Is it any better? Where's... Oh. Maybe that. Okay, like maybe here. I've got a wasted bottle in the way. Oh, it's full. Don't fall. There we go. Okay. I'm still waiting for my lighting. I did order one. That hasn't arrived yet. So that's my like inner corner. I guess it's done. Like you don't really see it much there, but I guess that's like the natural look for you. I might add a bit more that pinky colour. That just poof in my face. It doesn't even look pink on the camera. In the mirror it does. You'll see. And then I'm going to go in with, I don't know if I want to do eyeliner. I might do a little bit, because you can like do eyeliner in a natural way, can't you? So this is Revlon Colour Stay Skinny. I might have to do eyeliner off camera because I'm so bad. But like I want to try and keep it natural. So I'm only probably going to go like halfway to out. Oh. They always say to be slow and precise when you do eyeliner, but like I find when you do it really quickly it works better. So is that just me? Oh my god, that just flopped. I need to get some sort of wipe. Did that flop? I don't know. It looks like it did, but it didn't at the same time. It could work. There's so much eyeliner on my eye. Oh my god, it's quite big. Hang on. Oh no, it might work, it might work. Right, okay, that's fine. And then this one might bring the camera down a bit, so... Oh, there we go. I always come from like under my eye and go up and then go from the middle. On the camera it looks like... Oh my goodness. Right, okay, it doesn't actually look that bad. Eyeliner is like one of those things you have to do like every day to actually be good at it. Right. I think that looks okay. Like for a natural look, I guess. I'll just stop there with the eyeliner and then I just go in. I'm gonna go in with this one instead. This is Max Factor False Lash Epic. Last time I used this one, which is Max Factor Fusion, which I do love. They have like different, I tend to go for like the mascaras that are just plain straight because it's just easy to handle. It just works on my eye better. This one, like, I still don't know what to say about it. It's got like a little like end bit, pointy sort of stick, and then like a flatter, straightened out middle bit. I don't know the names for them if they are technical terms. But like, I think these end bits are just for like the corners or something. I'm not entirely sure. Do you ever like open your mouth whenever you put mascara on, like so concentrated? Does that look good? And then I think the last thing I'm gonna go with is my Freedom highlight. I do have this one as well, the Tanya Bell one, but I feel like that would make my face too pink, but then this one would be just more natural, like lighter colours or something. So I'm going to actually use a bit of it and put it on my nose. I love highlight on my nose, I don't know why. Everyone always comments on me whenever I put it on my nose, so I was like, why'd you put it on your nose? I just feel like I have like a bit of a button nose. Is that what you call it, a button nose? So like, it works on my nose. It's just my preferred way, and then a little bit here. And then just... I'm almost done actually. I might just say I'm done. That's like my natural makeup. Okay, I need to grab the camera and like actually show you in the light. So this is like what it looks like right now. The camera's pretty awful, so let me just, right. Oh, the blinds. I need a good angle here. Maybe the door. Ah, there we go. So this is what it looks like up close. My eyeliner didn't turn out like too bad, I guess. My eyebrows are quite, I want to say like, they're not like clean, but I guess it's a natural look. So, and then my other eye. I haven't done my lips, I'll just put Vaseline on my lips for a natural look. And I've also done my hair, so it's like two little fringy sort of bits here, and then it's up in a ponytail here. So that is the makeup look that I've done for today. So I'm going to like be wearing this today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you maybe like, this isn't very much a tutorial, this is just like how I do my makeup, but I hope you enjoyed the video, or like watching me at least do makeup or something. So leave a like or a comment if you enjoyed the video, or share it wherever, and subscribe if you want to. So thank you for watching, and bye!